Well, Android, move over. It's Apple's turn. Here are 10 unique apps for your iPhone device. And guess what? They're all free. Let's do this. Photofox is a powerful photo editing application that offers many of the same features you can find in desktop photo editing solutions. So of course, there are all the basics available to play with, like image adjustments and various filters and so forth, but then you can start adding layers to your creation. And this is where the app starts to feel a little closer to an app like Photoshop. You can add various light leaks and text overlays, you can even add shapes, and you can adjust the blending modes of every layer, and you are limited to only 3 layers with the free version, but if you feel like this is an app that you really love, then you can always just upgrade to the pro version. Now, even though we might still be some time from being able to watch a movie at the theaters, I've always found the idea of leaving mid-movie to go to the toilet ridiculously stressful. That's where the aptly named RunPee comes in. This app lets you know the best times in any given wide release to feel comfortable to quickly get up and go to the toilet without feeling like you're going to miss a major plot point in the film. Each movie has a few different options, and they usually have the best recommended time highlighted as well, and it gives the dialogue that starts the scene and how long a break you have in total, which makes it really easy to know when to get up and go to the toilet. You can even use the app to find out what films have end credit scenes and whether they're worth sticking around for. AfterShip is a free yet wonderfully designed parcel tracking application. There are, for some reason, a bunch of really expensive parcel tracking applications that you can find on the App Store, but AfterShip offers pretty much every feature that you'd want, but for free. You can scan barcodes to quickly insert tracking information, there is automatic carrier detection, and the app features a minimal but effective design that makes it feel well at home in 2020. MixCam is an app that allows you to take photos using your front-facing camera and your rear cameras all at the same time. Now, this isn't a new feature by any means, but it's definitely one of the only free options available on the App Store, and the implementation here feels very well done. You can also switch to video mode, and there's a group photo mode as well for fitting more people in the frame, and it's a sleek and smooth experience overall. Unfortunately, there is a watermark visible unless you upgrade to a premium account, but again, at least we have the option of using it for free. Pop, or prototyping on paper, is a fantastic application that I stumbled upon whilst preparing for this video, and it's designed for developers looking to put together feature-rich application prototypes. You start by creating a project name and selecting the device that you're designing for. You can then add various screens to your prototype by either taking an image of a sketch or drawing within the app itself, or you can use previously taken images as well. From there, you can link actions to other pages, and it's a surprisingly addicting application that I can see being an incredible tool for app designers and developers alike. When researching for this video, I found it surprising how difficult it was to find a minimally designed weather application that didn't cost like $5. Well, Hello Weather is one said app that fits the bill. The app just makes checking the latest weather forecast a visually pleasant experience. There are colourful icons on show throughout with nicely designed graphs and stats also visible, and although you need to upgrade to get access to additional features like radar and smart forecasts, I think there's definitely enough features available within the basic version to satisfy most users' needs. Firefox Focus is a browser application that not only makes browsing faster, it also makes it safer. This minimally designed browser app is supposed to prioritize your privacy. It blocks a wide range of common web trackers without you having to set up anything manually within the app, and it removes trackers and ads, which means web pages require less data to load and therefore load faster. Aside from that, the clean design and well thought out user experience makes it an app worth trying out. Otter Voice Notes is an app that I featured in an Android apps video quite a while back, but its functionality and non-existent price tag means it also gets a mention in today's video. What makes Otter unique is that it utilizes voice transcripts to create notes rather than just relying on type notes. Once you hit record, the app will live transcribe your notes, which you can then either listen back to or read at a later time. Convenient at its best. But Bear is for those who are interested in a more traditional approach to writing notes. Where convenience is Otter's selling point, design is by far and away Bear's selling point. This app makes note-taking somehow a beautiful experience with formatting presets and tagging to keep your notes organized, and there's even support for sketching and drawing or inserting image files as well. As I said, wonderfully designed. I really like this application. And finally, Focus is a pretty mind-boggling photo taking and editing application that essentially puts your portrait photos on steroids. You can use the app to take photos with blurry backgrounds on its own, or you can also select previously taken images as well, but then the amount of control that you have over the bokeh in the background is kind of staggering. You can choose how blurry the background is, the shape of the bokeh elements in the background. You can also then control how vivid or bright those elements in the background are. There's a bunch of other cool features available as well. And although half of the features are pro only, you can still preview them within the app for free, which is definitely neat. But that's it. Now, I know this video is somewhat of a departure for me, given that I so often focus on Android related content, but hey, I'm an all-inclusive technology lover and I wanted to give it a go. If you want to see more iOS content covered on the channel, then definitely let me know by leaving a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, then doing so would be greatly appreciated. Aside from that, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you all very much for watching, and I will catch you later.